drag it up. You need to keep your knees together. Right? Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then start doing. I've already started. You need to grab the foot with both hands behind your back. And you need to keep your knees together. You need to do twice with your right side and twice with your left side. You thought, are we doing?
Yes, sir.
We have already started, children. Those who are arriving late, ensure that you start doing right away. Please do not waste time. Okay. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you need to grab your foot by the sole of the shoe. Though I'm not wearing the shoe today. Right? Now you need to place the other hand beneath the knee and you need to drag and pull the entire thing up towards your chest. The entire leg. Ensure that you avoid jerking.
Good morning,
Jerk. Very simple.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Now you need to do thrice with your right side and thrice with your left side. That means 3 times you need to do each with each leg. Right? Are we doing? Any new entrant who has joined just today must be having some problems. Let me tell you, to attain a single leg balance, you need to first ensure that the head is right on top of the leg which is supposed to remain on the ground. So ensure that the head remains on top of the leg which is on the ground, without which you won't be able to even attain, forget sustain, won't be able to attain the balance. So Yash Agarwal, please remove the photograph and put your camera on.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Vaishnavi, but I don't know you by name. Please put your camera on. Most of the children are keeping the cameras off. This is not right. I don't buy that.
आज भी करना है जल्दी से
कैमरा ऑन करिए आप तुरंत जल्दी.
तो खाते तो ऑन है सर खाली हाथ में है.
Next activity, you need to do jogging. Please do not shout. Jogging is an aerobic activity. That means during the activity, you need to keep on breathing in and out while you are. Right? You need to place fist clenched and need to keep them near to your chest. Right? You need to jog. Jogging is being done on toes while remaining on your toes. Do not jog on your heels. You need to do jogging, right? While you keep your hands to your fist clenched. Keep on in and breathing out. You need to jog 100 steps at least. Right? Keep jogging. In the time I ask you to stop, keep jogging. Who's making this noise? Please do not make this noise. Keep running. Stop. Stop, children. Stop. Stop. Okay, next activity. Try to remain, with the same sequence as yesterday. Or sometimes you need to place your foot on the opposite and you need to bring your hands up in the air. Right? Please do not make noise. And you need to remain like that for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Right? Can you see me? Children, can you see me?
Yes, sir.
And do it. Why aren't you doing it? And see, Abdul, please do not waste time. Very good. Very good. All right, you need to do twice with your right side and twice with your left side. Remember to do it twice with your right side and twice with your left side. Okay, okay, okay. Please.
Done.
Okay,
You're done.
good. Now next activity, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next activity. We need to run. Now running is not an aerobic activity, it is an anaerobic activity. Means you cannot breathe in and out while you run. Running is being done vigorously. Stop jogging. Hey, who is jogging? Who's this? J7 Max? Please do not jog. Running is totally different. Running you need to keep your webbings open like this. And you need to vigorously shake your hands back and forth. You need to move your hands back and forth. You need to raise your knee nearly up into the air, right? This is run, right? You need to grab the air, stop breathing, and do it. This is not jogging, right? सांस भर लीजिए, then you do it, right? Surya Singh, please put your camera on. Siddharth 2511, please put your camera on. And order, Vaishnavi. Stop. All right. Next activity coming up. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. You need to sit near to your camera. You need to cross your fingers of both hands. You need to place the formation behind your head and you need to exert opposite forces. Now exert opposite forces with the help of your muscles. Ensure that the hands remain straight. एक दूसरे पे ताकत लगाइए इतना कि the entire formation starts shaking. Right? Do it hard. Do not yawn, children. Feeling sleepy? Yatharth, who is Yatharth 2511? Please put your camera on. Rajveer, Samiksha, Piyush Raman. The Piyush sir, okay. Okay, stop. Now place your hand in your temple and ensure that it remains free of any pressure to ensure that the forearm remains in 90 degrees with the spine, right? And you need to exert opposite forces, right? Exert opposite forces. I cannot help that. My signal is fully available. Now can you see it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you need to see, I am remaining stationary, so how can you find out whether it is paused or not? Now exert opposite forces on the other side. Join your hands, place them on top of your forehead. Now exert opposite forces. Really hard force you need to exert. Gradually you need to increase the pressure you are applying with your hands on your head and with your head on your hands. Ansh Mathur, you are not doing. Ansh, I'll come there and I'll beat you. Do it. Keep doing. Are we doing Akshat Singh? Yatar,
Yes, sir.
are we doing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you ready? Okay. Raise your hands behind your head. Now you need to ensure that the knee touches the elbow. Elbow more or less remain straight. You need to make the knee touch the elbow, right? सच में छुआना है, घुटने को कोहनी से छुआना है. You need to make the knee touch the elbow. Right? You need to actually make it touch. छूना है. हाँ. You need to do 30 times on your right side and 30 times on your left side. Unnecessary names like Oppo A3. Please log in with your actual name. Shivansh Gupta, put your camera on. Ashwath, put your camera on. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Next activity. Okay. Next activity. Okay, sit down. Sit near to your camera. Extend your hands in front of you straight as possible. Now open your webbings. Clench, open, clench, open, clench. You give jerks, right? You need to actually jerk it up. Right? Very good. Now rotate your fist. Outward rotations. Outward rotations. Keep your hands straight first of all. ऐसा सीधा रखना है, हाथ मुड़े नहीं होंगे. Extend your hands in front of you. Now rotate outward. Rotate inward. Right. All right. Next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Place your face like this. Keep them near to your shoulders. Now extend your hands in front of you. Ensure that the bicep touches the ears. Now this way. This way. You need to ensure that the biceps touch the ears. कानों को छूना है बाइसेप से. इतना सीधा करना है हाथों को ऐसे करके बाहर. Right? Keep doing. You need to do 20 repetitions. 20 repetition करने हैं. Right? Hardik, you joined late today. You starting? Galaxy J7 Max. Please put your camera on. Who is this Galaxy J7 Max? Singh. Who was that? Galaxy J7 Max.
So we did it.
Please keep your camera on. All right. Next activity. Ready? Right, place your hands on your waist. Separate your legs a foot apart. Then bend towards your left side. Keep bent. Straighten up. On my count with me. Avoid jockey action. Bend towards the opposite side. Straighten up. Bend towards your neck. Other side. Remain very steady and poised. Remain focused. Remain very slow. On my count with me. So, slowly, I increase the frequency. That's how it has to be. Very good. Now, keep the same position. Keep your hands placed on your waist. Now extend your one leg up in the air. Raise it up. Now kick at least 20 times with your raised leg. The entire body will remain stationary, whereas the raised leg will keep working knee down. Right? This is the activity of the thighs. The thighs muscles will strengthen. Right? You need to kick 20 times, right? Then with the other leg as well, right? Children, one leg balance. I try to always instill in you because most of the games and sport require one leg balance. I have not finished. How did you do it? अरे चुप, हमने नहीं किया, तुम्हारा कैसे हो गया? हमारा डांस तो अभी हम बता रहा हूँ।
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20.
Anush Pandey, put your camera on. Anush Pandey, I can't see you. Anush Pandey, put your camera on. All right. Next activity. Next activity. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. You need to place your forearms, the forearms on the floor, and you need to straighten up your body. Remain up in the air for 20 seconds. Right? Bumpy ऐसा बाहर निकाल के नहीं रखना. You need to keep your bum straight, aligned with your body. Don't form yourself like a camel. सीधा रखना है. Keep your body straight up in the air. Do not touch the floor at all. Remain like that for 20 seconds. Are we doing, children?
Yes, sir.
Most of you place the camera in such a manner that I cannot see you. Can't help that. I can. बेटा अन्या कृषि अन्या ये तुम्हारी सिस्टर देखो कैसे केयर कर रही है. ये she has to remain absolutely straight, right? बॉडी को स्ट्रेट होगा, बम्पी निकाल के नहीं रखना बेटा. वैष्णवी, are we doing? अच्छा, you new boy, what is your name? Galaxy J7 Max, your name. You need to log in with your actual name. How can I figure out who are you? You have named yourself as Galaxy J7 Max. You need to log in with your actual name. Next time you log in, write down your name instead of Galaxy J7 Max. There's an option in the Zoom app, right? Pandey, you did not put your camera on. I'll complain this to the authorities. I'll talk to principal ma'am. Anush, put your camera on.
Yes, sir.
Put your camera on, Anush. Alright. Next activity. Ready? Now, I have stretched my legs and place your hands here. Now bend a little down. You will remain bent throughout the activity and you will do up down. See that? My knees are not straightening up. मेरे घुटने सीधे नहीं हो रहे हैं एक बार भी, घुटने टेढ़े ही हैं, मुड़े हुए हैं. But you can see me doing up down while placing the hands here on almost my pelvis, but exactly where the fibula start. Right? Thereover I have kept my hands, my palms, and you need to do up down at least 50 times, 50. Ensure that throughout the activity the knees remain bent. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
This sir. This sir. Very good. You have to do 50 times. 50. I didn't see you doing 50 times. 50 बार तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा इतनी जल्दी. Akshat Singh, what is this? Akshat Singh, what? You're dancing or what? You need to place your hands here. The hands will remain on top of the leg. And you need to stretch it up more. पैरों को और फैलाओ अक्षय. घुटने बेंट ही रहेंगे परमानेंट. घुटने सीधे नहीं होंगे. हार्दिक भैया को देखो, he is doing absolutely right. हार्दिक भैया in blue t-shirt. Find him, he is doing right. उल्टा सीधा काम कर रहा बिना देखे इधर उधर चेहरा. At least try to locate other. अच्छा, Swastik Singh, you have sat down. अच्छा, Swastik, it is your choice when to sit. When we'll meet in the school, I'll see you. अपना मर्जी से बैठ गए सब हैं? Done.
Done.
Right. Done. Right. Next activity. Are you ready? Sit near to your camera. Place one finger on top of your one nostril, blocking it up. Inhale with the one which is open. Shut it down. Switch the blockage and release. Right? You can do it in a specific manner or you can use any number of fingers to do the activity. The sole purpose is to inhale with one nostril and exhale with the other one. Right? This activity has been derived from yoga and it is very helpful under certain circumstances when there is sort of issues going on with mucous membrane, like the current situation with COVID-19. Block one nostril, inhale with the one which is open, switch the blockage and exhale. Throughout the activity, keep your mouth shut. You need to do starting it thrice with your left side and thrice with your right side. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
Have we done it?
Did you stop it? Did you stop it?
Okay. Next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lie down. Right? Place your forearm on the floor. Lie down like this. Right? And place your hand on your waist and raise your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Then the other side. Put your forearm on the floor.
हम क्या कर रहे देखो 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 क्या कर रहे
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let me tell you that you might find these exercises done by girls on TV, and we know it as aerobics. But let me tell you, these exercises will help you to remain with the kind of fitness required when you will be playing on the field at our school, right? So these are no kiddish or girlish things. Let me tell you, these are heavy duty fitness exercises that you must commit regularly. Do it at least twice with your right side and twice with your left side. By that I mean 2 sets with your left side and 2 sets with your right side. Anush Pandey, you did not put your camera on. This is very wrong. After repeated instructions, you did not put your camera on. Sunil sir, ये अनुष पांडे का कैमरा अभी भी ऑफ ही है. It's informing me that the session might expire any moment now. I would like to thank all the teachers and children, those who have come for this morning session, and I want you all to keep coming for this session on a daily basis. Spread this message across to anyone whom we talk to, and we'll continue with the action today. All right, next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yeah.
right. Place your hands on your waist. Right. Can you hear me? I cannot see you, children. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next activity. Sit down in Padmasana, and you need to place your fingertips. I repeat, the fingertips on the floor. हाथ नहीं रखना है पूरा फ्लोर पे, fingertips रखने हैं. You need to rise up in the air. Remain raised up in the air for at least 10 seconds. Right? So then, if you see me doing, you need to rise up in the air for at least and remain raised up for at least 10 seconds. Right? This is a very good exercise for the core. Many people who do core exercises, they do sit-ups and end up injuring their spine. Whereas this one is very simple, not serious, will help you to attain that kind of hardcore here, right? Without injuring any body part at all. Many people think that they are the masters of, exercises, but they end up with injuries, right? You need to place your fingertips. You need to place your fingertips on the floor and rise up in the air. पूरे हवा में उड़ जाइए. See, at this age, if something I can do, definitely you can too. Very good. This new boy is doing well. Are they? There's a new boy is doing well, right? Keep an eye over him. We'll check him for the football team as well. The young boy appears to be from class 6 or maybe the new boy, right? He's doing fine. So who? Galaxy J7 Max. Galaxy J7 Max. Boy, he is attempting things which are, very promising. Anush Pandey did not put his camera on. Very bad. Alright. And should I show you again? It is very simple. You need to sit down in Padmasana and you need to place your fingertips on the floor and you need to speed up the air and remain like that for 20 seconds. Okay? Simple exercise. Your body will start swinging like a swing, like a jhula, right? Okay, next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Achha, while you do this, children, do you feel any stretch here on your abs, abdominal muscles? लगता है पेट टाइट हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसकी जिसकी तोंद निकली सब अंदर हो जाएगी पूरी, right? Alright. What is this noise like? Please. Achha, somebody is worshipping. Probably. Okay, this is Shankanath. Fine. Okay, next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now place one hand on your forehead, the other hand behind your head. Right? Now try to exert force from both sides. Right? Try to understand the head will not force anything out or in, but the hand behind your back will force the head towards front side and the hand on your forehead will force it backward. Now you need to, this is the very good activity for biceps. See that? You will feel a stretch here. You will feel something is paining here as you gradually increase the number of seconds you force the head. You need to, जैसे कोई ईंटा या कोई पत्थर दबा रहे हो इस तरह से you need to, while keeping the forearms parallel, right? You will feel some pain here on your biceps, right? Do it for 10 seconds. This is a new exercise I want you to do only for 10 seconds, right?
Okay.
ये हेड टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं हो. अंश माथुर, मुंडी कहाँ रखी है? Don't do that. सीधा बैठो बिल्कुल.
So done 10 seconds.
Hardik, did you feel any press? Hardik, did you feel any press? बाइसेप्स में कोई प्रेस फील किया?
बहुत गर्म हो गया आपको.
Good.
Sorry, Dad.
So wrist पे और biceps पे.
All right. Good. Next activity. See, I'm trying to make you do bodybuilding without any numbers. Let me tell you. Right. All right.
कहाँ पर?
A few exercises I'm listening today. Okay. Place your hand on your waist. Extend your right leg in front of you. Rotate the ankle clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. Right? Then do it with the other side as well. Extend your right leg in front of you. Left leg. Rotate the ankle 5 times and rotate the ankle anti-clockwise 5 times again. Right? The very necessary activity. I try to get you with, all the forms of activities together. Keep doing 2 sets with your right side and 2 sets with your left side. Right? Very good. Did you do? Did you complete?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, now I want you to do the Shav Asana. Just lie down.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Just lie down. Close your eyes. Vaishnavi, lie down. Loosen up your body. Straighten up your legs. Put your hands straight, palm facing the sky. Just assume as if you are dead. God forbid. Close your eyes and just forget everything. Ashwat, you want me to be there or what? आऊं क्या वहाँ?
बैटरी भी डालो अपना।
Slowly open your eyes. Rise up, children. Sit down. Sit back up. Children, उठ जाइए. I want you to do meditation. Attain the Padmasana. Place your right palm on your left palm. अपना right palm left palm के ऊपर रखिए. See that? Sit down in Padmasana. Close your eyes.
ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे।
Avika Gupta, close your eyes. All right, slowly open your eyes. You did well, children. I'm feeling